Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Taylor polynomials make this super fast because we only plug the given derivatives at x equals 2 into a third-degree approximation and evaluate 2.1. Start with the third-degree Taylor polynomial about x equals 2. F of x is approximately f of 2 plus f prime of 2 times x minus 2 plus higher derivative terms. Now substitute the given values. 1 plus 3 times x minus 2 minus 5 over 2 factorial times x minus 2 squared plus 12 over 3 factorial times x minus 2 cubed. Set x to 2.1, so x minus 2 is 0.1. Then compute 1 plus 0.3 minus 0.025 plus 0.002, which gives 1.277. Well done! Option B. Scan now. The trap is sign mistakes and rushing. Trust the given derivatives and check each Taylor step carefully.